You can see the screen, all of you. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We will do these exercises. After that, we will discuss the leftover rules of subject-verb agreement. Okay. Sakshi, hello. Sakshi, do the first one. The teacher dash completed this chapter. Sakshi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
पहला वाला
The teacher have completed this chapter.
कौन सा A B C D बताओ.
A have
Have क्यों होगा? Have किस में यूज होता है? सिंगुलर या प्लूरल? हाँ, have is used in plural with the exception of I and you. Okay, Kishan Kumar. Kishan, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer of this? The teacher dash completed the chapter. This chapter. Sakshi said have. Is it correct?
No, ma'am.
What is the right answer?
Ma'am has.
Yes, teacher has, singular. Has is used for singular and have is used for plural. Have is used for plural. Here teacher is singular. With the exception, I and you are exceptions. You and I, exception you and I. For you and I always use have. And in the third person, you have to remember. First person, second person, you are using have only. That is an exception. But in third person, you have to remember singular has and plural have. Okay. Next. Aditya Raj, Ram and Shyam have, has, are, had. What rule? Hello, Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Ram and Shyam dash business partners. 4 options are. Screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What did we study? Two subjects joined by and. What verb it takes?
We use plural verb.
Yes, two subjects joined by and use plural verb. There are exceptions if they express the same idea or refer to the same person. लेकिन यहाँ तो same person भी नहीं है और same idea भी नहीं. Aditya, come on, answer. Ram and Shyam.
Ma'am, have
business partner.
are.
Are
Ma'am,
are,
are.
are business partner. Okay. These are basics, but sometimes some students have confusion in basics also. That is why I'm revising this. Jia Chauhan. Jia Chauhan. Jia. Option. She reached office by 9 a.m. daily. Daily है तो कौन सा? Not C. It is not C. Sugandh, what is the right answer?
Ma'am, which one? Ma'am, second number.
Third number. Second we have done. Third. She dashed her office by 9 a.m. daily.
Ma'am, she reaches.
Yes, reaches. It is a simple present tense. Daily, har din. So reaches. yesterday रहता तब ना reached होता, reaches.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Neither you nor your sister should. Pragya,
Yes, ma'am.
fifth one you do. Fifth.
Ma'am, talks.
See here, should is there. Neither nor का एक रूल तो था कि ये इससे एग्री होगा, लेकिन बीच में हमारा एक मॉडल भी आ गया, तो मॉडल के साथ हमेशा क्या लगता है? With modal verb, which form of verb you always use?
Ma'am, V1.
Ma'am,
Yes, talk. See, we studied the rule that with neither nor, verb agrees with the subject near the blank. Huh? But here it is a different case. Here you have should. And with all the modal verbs, you always use the V1 form of the should talk. So here it is a different case. Okay. 20 years dash the minimum age to fill this form. Himanshu is
Yes.
present. Himanshu.
मैम हिमांशु नहीं है।
नहीं है आज. Okay. Kaushal Kishore. Kaushal.
Ma'am, option B is.
Yes. 20 years is all the units of measurement of time, distance, money, they take a singular verb. Units of that. Okay. Bouquet of flowers. What do you use with the collective nouns? Bouquet of flowers.
Singular. Ma'am, singular.
Harshraj. Harshraj. Okay, Advit.
Ma'am, is.
Is.
Oh, is.
So with collective noun also you use the singular. A pair of socks.
Has.
Has. Himanshu. आ गया है हिमांशु. Ayush Kumar 10G. Ayush Kumar. What will be the answer of 8? Hmm? What is the answer of 8? Who will answer?
Ma'am, may I
Has.
answer? Has.
Has. Oh, okay, has. Yes, yes, has been missing. Yes, Advit, your answer was correct. I thought been is not there, then it should. Okay. Much. Has been said, was said, was said.
Ma'am, have.
No, has. Much has been said. The information को हम plural मानते हैं या singular? All the uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are considered singular or plural. What do you use after the uncountable nouns? You remember? Water, smoke, air.
Ma'am, singular.
You see, what do you use? Singular verb. you see all the uncountable nouns, after all the uncountable nouns, you use singular verb. And also after the uncountable noun, you don't use S. Do you say there is lot of waters in the glass? So for uncountable nouns, we don't, uncountable nouns don't have plural forms. Don't have plural and they take singular verbs. So here also information is considered uncountable. So here also you will have a singular verb. The information provided to you was wrong. Then the company dash of its stakeholders.
Can I?
Ma'am,
Okay, Adit?
can I?
Things.
Yes, the company thinks. So plural. In English, if S is added to the verb, it becomes singular. So verb plus S is singular. Noun plus S is plural, but verb plus S is singular. Okay, either of the two dresses shall. Again, shall is their model. So
Look.
Ma'am,
yes, shall is there. Look. और वैसे भी इसमें तो प्लूरल है, तो वैसे भी नियरेस्ट ब्लैंक को देखते हुए प्लूरल, लेकिन मेन चीज हमको देखना है दैट शैल इज देयर अ मॉडल विथ ईच एंड एवरी मेंबर डैश टू वोट. Each every
ma'am has.
Yes, has to vote. Each and every member has to vote. A large number of soldiers. What will you use? A large number of soldiers. Deependra Kumar Singh. Okay, Anuj Sharan answer. What happened, Anuj?
Ma'am, is.
Yes, ma'am.
You are
Large
not
number of
answering
soldiers.
questions nowadays. आजकल answer नहीं देते हो.
You are not asking me, ma'am.
You have to volunteer yourself.
Ma'am, is.
Is
A
died.
large number of soldiers have died. D
Have.
option.
Have, yes, have. Option D, yes. Half of the class were, was, has, have. Half of the class.
Ma'am, where?
नहीं,
Ma'am what?
was.
And
Was empty. Okay, this rule we had already studied. Physics, mathematics, economics. There are some words which have S after them, but they are considered singular. So what will you use here?
Ma'am is.
Is.
Yes, physics is difficult to understand. The quality of food here. Quality is what? Quality is the subject. So
Have gone.
quality is uncountable.
Ma'am
Has.
has.
The quality of food has gone down. Okay, my mother along with others. Along with के साथ कोई कुछ ज्वाइन होता है तो कौन सा ये हम देखते हैं, पहला या दूसरा?
then first one.
Yes, very good. So what will you use? Singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular. Along with, besides, as well as. These, if the subjects are joined by these words, then you see the first subject. So along with के साथ है तो पहला subject हम देखते हैं. Then she dash not take a lot of stress.
She needs.
Need.
She need not. She need not take a lot of stress. Okay, none of the candidates.
Have.
None of.
Ma'am, have.
Ma'am, have.
Uh, okay. He dash cooking in his leisure time.
Enjoys.
So this is very simple. He has so S wala verb. No, he enjoys. So this is he enjoys cooking. The book Management Principles.
Is
Is बुक का नाम है मैनेजमेंट प्रिंसिपल्स, लेकिन बुक तो एक ही ना है. यहाँ ऐसा है, इसका मतलब this is just the name of the book. But our main subject is the book. $2
Is.
is, yes, the measurement of money, distance, time, they are considered single. All the units of measurement of money, distance, time, they are considered singular. A lot of startups, a lot of startups, a lot of startups that started in the past few years. Okay, who will answer? Himanshu? Ambesh? Okay, Ambesh, you answer. Ambesh, can you see the screen? Ambesh? Ambesh, no response. Why students don't respond, I can't understand. Okay, Advit? Okay, Rishav Kumar, chalo answer kar. Rishav Kumar, you have raised your hand.
Ma'am, 24 question number.
24. Okay, Sugandh?
मैम हैज होएगा मैम.
Nahi,
Yes,
have.
ma'am.
A lot of.
मैम हैव होएगा.
Have. A lot
Yes,
of
ma'am.
startups have started. A lot of startups. Okay, politics. With politics, what will you use?
Is.
Has.
Ma'am, has.
Been hai na, to
Ma'am,
have.
Has been.
So politics also is considered singular. That day we studied politics. Then neither nor से जुड़ा हुआ रहेगा दो subject, तो कौन सा हम देखेंगे? Neither Rishi nor Riya.
Ma'am, second one.
Second. So was. So we have to use singular. Neither Rishi nor Riya. Second one is a singular subject. So we have to use was. A series of seminars.
ma'am, where?
Where all means of communication. All means of communication. Aditya?
Ma'am, have.
Okay, all means of communication. My glasses.
are.
Yes, Avinash, your answer is correct. Are. Okay. My glasses are. There are some words like trousers, socks, shoes, spectacles, glasses. So we use plural verb. Okay, with these words which are found in pairs, binoculars, scissors, ये सारे जो word हैं, we use plural verb, but we use singular when it is preceded by a pair of. इसके पहले pair of रहेगा तब हम singular use करेंगे. A pair of. You understand this point? अगर यहाँ पर रहता my pair of glasses, my pair of glasses, then what will you use? Is or are?
Is.
Is.
Yes, so you understand the difference? These words take a plural
Yes, ma'am.
verb. These words take a plural verb, but इसके पहले ये सब words जो pairs में these are found in pairs. So but if before these words you have pair of, then you have to use a singular verb. This is the rule. Okay. Okay, pair of glasses is pair of glasses is nowhere to be found. Okay, the next one, the woman dash vegetables.
Sells.
Yes, sells. So singular subject means S in the verb. This is a basic thing, but sometimes students make mistake in this also. So this should be very clear in your mind that singular third person means S. Singular third person. It dash these papers that I have been looking for.
Ma'am, is.
Yes, it is. It is these papers that I have been looking for. It is our subject. The United States of America.
Ma'am, are.
Ma'am, is.
Is hoga. United States of America. It is considered one country. Is going to conduct. Okay, South Africa. Dash all out before we knew it.
What?
Was, yes. South Africa singular was. Okay. There dash plenty of space. Plenty of space के लिए कौन सा हम verb use करेंगे? Uncountable है ना? Plenty of space. Is it countable?
Was.
Uncountable.
Was.
Yes.
Was.
It is uncountable. Uncountable, always we use singular. Uncountable. Is or are? Is or are? Is. Okay. So uncountable is considered singular. Water is, smoke is, air is necessary. Okay. Either you or I should
Ma'am, takes.
Take. Ma'am, take.
Take.
Ma'am, take.
यहाँ तो देखो दोनों कंडीशन में अगर आई रहता तो भी टेक ही होता और शुड है तो भी टेक ही होगा. I take. Should is there. So model always takes the base form of the verb. If you see all the models, do you say can sings? I can sings. Is it correct? Is it correct? I can sings?
No, ma'am.
No, I can sing. So for model, always with model we use the V1. With all models, with model verbs, always use V1. Should go. Do you say should goes? So with model verbs, always you have to use. Then this is also a collective noun. With collective noun, what you use? Collective nouns.
Has been.
Has. Collective nouns are considered singular. What will you use? A bunch
Ma'am, has.
of keys.
Feel.
A bunch of keys lying on the table. Is or are?
Is.
A bunch of keys is lying on the table. So collective noun is considered singular. A lot of students fail to clear the exam. Fails.
Feel.
Fail. Fail.
Fails.
Fail. Fail. अगर a lot of के बाद कोई यूसी रहेगा अनकाउंटेबल नाउन तब जो है वो सिंगुलर होगा. A lot of rice. Here what will you use? Here you will use has. So lot of के बाद अगर कोई countable है तब जो है plural verb. Is it clear? अगर lot of के बाद कोई uncountable noun है तो वहां singular verb. So is this clear to you? A lot of students fail to clear the exam, but a lot of rice has been spoiled because this is UC, uncountable. So lot of के बाद uncountable noun कोई है तो singular verb. Uncountable को हम हमेशा singular ही मान के चलते हैं. Okay. My applications.
Ma'am, they are.
Were not been approved. Been है. Been है तो क्या
Ma'am,
लगेगा?
have. Ma'am, have been.
has.
Have not been.
Applications है और been भी है तो have.
Ma'am, have.
Plural. Okay. Applications have not been approved. Okay. Again we have collective noun. Collective noun. Collective noun के साथ कौन सा ये यूज होता है? Singular या plural?
Singular.
Singular. Was. So what will
Was.
you? Harsh Raj. Okay, Dhruv, what will you use for this? Dhruv Pandey. Dhruv. Dhruv, okay, Shreyasi answer. Shreyashi? Shreyashi?
Ma'am, was.
Was.
Ma'am, was is the
Yes.
answer.
Yes, Shreyashi, your answer is correct. Was.
Is the
Yes, Shreyasi, your answer is correct. Was dispersed. The ruler and the minister. Two subjects.
Ma'am, have been killed.
Two subjects. रूलर और दोनों के आगे आर्टिकल है, इसका मतलब दोनों अलग है, तो यहाँ प्लूरल हैव बीन किल्ड. अगेन देयर इज अ मॉडल वर्ब. मॉडल वर्ब के बाद क्या
Pass.
यस
पास V1 होगा.
यस
Ma'am, pass.
द मॉडल वर्ब के बाद पास होगा. Here the poor. The poor means what? The whole class of poor people.
Ma'am, have.
Yes, the poor have. Because it means all the poor people. The poor means what? It means all the poor people. The poor have suffered a lot. The teacher and the students.
Have.
Ma'am, have.
Yes, have. The event begin, begins, began, begun.
Ma'am, begins.
Begins. This is a bit confusing. The event begins earlier than it is scheduled.
Ma'am, began.
Began होना चाहिए. Earlier than. The event began. Past tense, earlier. Okay. So many people. People is singular or plural?
Have.
Yeah. People is plural. Have 2/3. 2/3 of the party. Pantry.
is full.
Yes, is. इस तरह का जो हो रहता है 2/3 या 1/4, इस सब के साथ हमेशा is ही लगता है. The timing.
Was.
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 The timing was appropriate. Okay. The package dash is to be carried carefully. Package.
Ma'am,
to be.
have. Ma'am, have.
Packages नहीं है, package है. एक ही ना
Is to
package. Is yes.
Is to
It
be
is a
carried.
single package. Okay. Joshua with his members. With के साथ दो सब्जेक्ट ज्वाइन होते हैं तो हम कौन सा सब्जेक्ट देखते हैं?
Ma'am, first one.
Yes. It is
Ma'am,
joined-
sings.
Sings, yes. So these things you have to remember. यहाँ members है तो प्लूरल नहीं लगाना है क्योंकि यहाँ हमको फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट देखना. With, along with, besides. In this, with, along with, besides, you always see the first subject. We should definitely. Again, you have the model.
Visit.
Yes.
Visit.
And visit.
मॉडल है तो बिना एस वाला वर्ड. टीम.
Ma'am, have.
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 क्यों? टीम कलेक्टिव नाउन है. टीम कलेक्टिव नाउन है ना.
Has.
Ma'am, has. Ma'am, has.
Have.
मेंबर्स ऑफ द टीम रहता तब वो हैव होगा, हो सकता था. मेंबर्स ऑफ द टीम. यहाँ लेकिन टीम है. टीम इज collective noun singular, so have. I के साथ कौन सा noun verb?
Dance.
Yes.
Dance.
Ma'am,
Dances.
I
dance.
I के साथ जो है plural verb ही use होता है. I and you exceptions. As I told you, I and you are exceptions. With I and you, always use the plural verb. Neither she nor I
Am.
Ma'am, am. Ma'am, am.
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 Neither nor के साथ use होता है तो इस verb subject के according. The men dash.
Watch. Ma'am, watch.
Men is
Ma'am, were.
plural. Man singular. Men plural.
Where?
And
Ma'am, were.
word.
Time is over.
The lawyer and the assistant.
Enters.
Has enter.
Ma'am, has enter.
Ma'am, entered together.
Entered होगा.
Third.
Entered. Lawyer and the assistant entered together. Okay. End of the exercise. Few rules were left in the subject verb agreement. So I will discuss those rules later on. Rules becomes very boring in the class. इसीलिए मैंने सोचा कि एक्सरसाइज ही करते हैं. And side by side.
मैम एग्जाम कब होगा मैम हम लोग का?
Exam will be held in the month of November and December, and you will get MCQ questions, 90 minutes
Ma'am,
MCQ.
मैम नवंबर से पहले मैम
Ma'am,
हाजिर
school
नहीं
का
होगा,
exam-
लेट
Do you
होगा.
have any exam in September or August?
September or August, you may have your first term exam. We have not got any notification from the school. So, oh God, who is shouting like this?
मैम अंजलि कुमारी.
ये